Ta-da!
You see it?
Yes, see your cup.
I've
not opened.
Okay. Mama, when they come to Jahana, I have a potato.
Hey! Who owns this one?
Man!
Wait, see.
My own.
And this. Was I ordered this in the map? Okay.
Me.
Ah, let me
Yes,
see.
oh.
Blue.
What? You're not excited? Hi guys, so I ordered something from Temu. I ordered an iPad, like 2 iPads for my kids from Temu, and I am waiting for the delivery guy. I just closed from work and he said he's already on his way, like he's close by, so I have to like wait for him so that I will collect the iPad. So stick with me guys. Once I collect it, I'm going to make a video and I will we'll unbox it together. Okay, so guys, stick around. So guys, the delivery guy is here. He's here. Myself I did video. Well, yes, Vivian Okra. Check out
Signature on this.
where.
Anyway.
Now you deliver to me December period date. What's this? 25th bar.
Okay.
Thank you. So guys, I'll be going home now. Done. Take care. Hi. How are you? Wait,
What is that?
it's my bag. So guys, look at this. Yellow. Yeah. Oh my god. Yes. Eh? Ta-da! Yes, see your cup. I've not opened it. Kaka is excited.
Oh, Chineke, tabuke.
So, this is our tab.
Temu.
Wait. They don't open it.
Temu no nga, is it Temu? Is it Temu?
Delivery express.
Okay. Mama, when they come to Jahana, I have a potato. Temu, you know. Unboxing.
Yay! Who owns this one?
Man!
Wait, see.
My own.
And this.
I say, I don't need this. Oh, that gift.
Wait, see. So, let's unbox together.
Yeah, listen.
Wait, take it from my face.
I want mommy daddy room.
Who locked him there?
No one is the one that locked himself. And then you know.
People are disturbed. Like you guys are even disturbing the painter. Gwa m gawara ngwa onye mejisi na hayatari chin ge gboga ha ebe a.
I hope you have a problem with casing, no. Because I ordered casing, no problem. Okay.
Let me see. Blue.
What? You're not excited?
Let me see your face. Say hi.
Hello.
Okay, book tab. Okay, iPad.
It's not that one.
This is Jason's own. Wait, I'll open it.
Ah!
Look at
He cannot. He can even do like that.
Okay, this is the
Cord.
For power, the cord
for the charging.
for the charging. If it's low,
We're going to charge it before you use it.
Okay, Kaka.
wait, let me see.
Wait, let her show. Do the two.
Whose own is this?
Daddy!
Jesse.
Who is Jason? Who is Jason?
So let's.
Hello. Who is Jason?
Cacas. Oh, sit down.
When this house loud now.
See cacas.
Kaka, stop. It's like there's nothing inside it, Kaka.
Yes,
There's no tab inside though.
it's that.
No, there's no tab.
It's that.
Kaka.
Yay.
Orange. My favorite colors. Oh. Wait, who is Kaka? Let me see Kaka. Hello, where is Kaka?
So guys, our tab is here.
Let her book.
Kamzuru Ike.
Come see.
Let me.
Okay.
See there.
Here no color Temu. Blue and orange.
Blue is.
Which one should
May here also. May here
I
again.
take?
It's your own.
Which one should I take?
Down.
I should take this one. Thank you. I want you.
Okay.
Okay.
My own charger. And what?
Okay, you have chargers. You have chargers.
Oh,
Leave that in now.
my charger. That's for my. This. That's for my own. Give me. That's for my own.
Okay, so we are going to charge it.
Hey, no.
Leave it now.
Keep it.
You will charge it before
Charge it
you
before you
100%.
you charge it before you on it. Yeah?
But I just want to see.
Okay.
I want to put in me.
Don't on
Okay,
it.
let him have an email.
Don't on it. Did you hear me? Don't on it.
Cannot.
Not do it like that now.
I know how to.
It will fall.
See it.
Don't.
Not even this.
Feel like this. It's not on.
Okay, so
Don't on it.
so what do you say to your daddy?
Thank you.
What do you say to your daddy?
Daddy, thank you. Daddy, thank you.
Say. Look at me. Say
Can I
thank
call
you.
your
God bless
daddy?
you. What do you say?
Daddy, thank you. God bless you.
Kaka, what do you say?
Thank you.
Put your mouth. What do you say? Say daddy, thank you.
God bless you.
Daddy, thank you. God bless you.
Mm-hmm.
Kaka,